Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and running processes. Make sure the battery is above 20% and any intensive app is closed. Once done, swipe up and force close call, recording, or diagnostic apps that can crash the dialer. Next, toggle airplane mode to reset radios, then restart the phone to clear transient software locks. Do this now because many call drop shutdowns are caused by a hung process or temporary modem glitch. This quick reset often fixes the issue immediately. You should inspect hardware and system configuration. Power off and reset the SIM, looking for bent pins or dirt. If available, test the SIM in another phone to isolate the problem. Then update carrier settings, the OS, and the phone or dialer app because compatibility bugs can force shutdowns during calls. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles. This step reestablishes proper radio and VoLTE parameters. Make sure to back up Wi-Fi passwords. For final troubleshooting, boot into safe mode to check whether a third-party app causes the shutdown. If calls work in safe mode, uninstall recent apps one by one. Once you rule out apps, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove persistent system corruption. If the phone still turns off during calls after a reset, the issue is likely hardware. Contact your carrier or an authorized service center because overheating, a failing power IC, or damaged antenna/modem may require repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.